CJ Maxwell here, Internet Sales Manager for the Toby Auto Group, bringing you another vehicle spotlight here today. What we've got here, we've got a 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. This is the bad car right here. It's actually set the record over at the Nürburgring in Germany for the fastest four-door sedan in the world. Wheels wrapped in nice Pirelli P0 Neros. It's got that nice tri-coat Rosso Competition red. This is, it's a twin turbo V6. It's actually a Ferrari California motor that they dropped 2 cylinders and twin turboed. 505 horsepower, 436 pound-feet of torque. This thing will get it. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to open up the hood for you guys. That way you can take a look at the engine. Here's a quick peek at the interior here. Let's go down here, open that up. There it is, that V6 motor, twin turbo. Actually fits pretty snug in this car. It's a lot of horsepower for a car like this. Go back inside, take a look at the interior again. We'll start it, that way you guys can listen to it. One thing with the Alfa Romeo is the start buttons right here on the steering wheel. Go ahead and start this up. Now, right now it's in dynamic mode. We're gonna go ahead and shift that to race mode. Opens up the baffles a little bit, makes that exhaust a little bit louder for you guys. Right here on the radio, it is the 8.8-inch screen. Does have navigation. There that is. It's actually got a dual screen setup right now. 200 on the speedometer. Sure, it'll get you pretty close there. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, automatic headlamps, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, adaptive cruise control. You guys, this very special vehicle right here, carbon fiber trim all around. This thing will turn heads. Get back out, that way you guys can take a listen to the exhaust here. A little throaty, sounds pretty good for a V6. Let me do a little rev. Definitely will turn heads going down the road. All right, guys. Again, this is CJ, Internet Sales Manager out here at Alfa Romeo of Dayton. Vehicle Spotlight 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Come on out and see me, 937-372-4451. Just ask for CJ.